Welcome to Lesson 3 of our web development series. Today, we'll dive into the backend, the brain behind the web that powers the functionality of websites and applications. When you interact with a website, there's a lot happening behind the scenes. The backend server processes your requests, interacts with databases, and sends data back to the front end to display. Backend servers host the core application logic. They manage data processing, ensure security, and maintain performance, acting as the backbone of web applications. Databases store and organize the data that your application needs. They allow for efficient retrieval and management of information, which is essential for dynamic and interactive websites. APIs, or application programming interfaces, are sets of rules that allow different software components to communicate. They define how the front end and back end interact, enabling seamless data exchange. Here's how it works. A user action triggers a request that the server processes. The server may interact with the database to retrieve or store data, then sends a response back to the front end to display the result. Several programming languages are used in backend development. Node.js allows JavaScript to run on the server side. Python is known for its simplicity and versatility. PHP powers many websites. Ruby offers elegant syntax, and Java is robust and widely used in enterprise environments. Frameworks like Express.js, Django, Laravel, and Ruby on Rails provide tools and libraries that simplify backend development, allowing developers to focus on building features rather than reinventing the wheel. Databases are generally classified as SQL or NoSQL. SQL databases handle structured data using tables and schemas, while NoSQL databases offer flexible data models for unstructured data. Choosing the right database depends on factors like the complexity and structure of your data, scalability needs, the nature of your application, and your team's expertise. APIs allow different software systems to communicate and work together. They enable your application to integrate with external services using predefined protocols and data formats. RESTful APIs adhere to the principles of representational state transfer. They use standard HTTP methods and are stateless, meaning each request is independent, which simplifies interactions between client and server. The primary HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs are GET to retrieve data, POST to submit new data, PUT to update existing data, and DELETE to remove data. The front end communicates with the back end by making API calls. The back end processes these requests and sends back responses, usually in formats like JSON or XML, which the front end then uses to update the user interface. The back end is essential in web development. It powers the functionality and logic of applications, manages data storage and retrieval, and works behind the scenes to provide seamless user experiences. Moving forward, we'll explore how front-end and back-end development come together in full-stack development. Thank you for joining today's lesson on the back-end. If you have any questions or would like to connect, please feel free to reach out via email or LinkedIn.